In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust Google Sheets cell size easily, whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills. Let's get started by navigating to Google Sheets. Once you're on the Google Sheets website, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. This is essential because without logging in, you won't be able to access your saved spreadsheets or create new ones. After signing in, head over to the spreadsheet you want to modify by selecting it from your list of documents or creating a new one if necessary. Being in your chosen spreadsheet, you'll notice that the columns and rows might not perfectly align with the data size, and that's where we need to adjust. To start adjusting the column sizes, hover your mouse over the line between two column letters, such as between columns A and B. Once you see the cursor change into a double arrow, you can then click and drag to the right to increase the column width or to the left to decrease it. This allows you to customize the column size according to your needs, making your data more readable or visually appealing. Next, let's adjust the row size using a similar method. Move your cursor to hover over the line between two row numbers on the left side of your screen. Just like with columns, the cursor will change into a double arrow. Click and drag downwards to increase the row height for better legibility, or upwards if you need to condense the data display. For an alternative approach, you can change the size of columns or rows by right-clicking directly on the column header or the row number you wish to resize. From the context menu, choose the option to resize the column or row. Here, you'll have a few choices. You can manually enter a pixel value for a more precise adjustment, or opt for Fit to Data. This option automatically adjusts the column or row size to fit the content perfectly, saving time and effort. Remember that every time you make a change, don't forget to click OK to ensure your adjustments are saved. This technique is especially useful when dealing with large datasets, where some columns or rows may need different sizing to improve the document's overall appearance and functionality. Whether adjusting via dragging or using the right-click method, ensuring your data fits beautifully within the cells can greatly enhance your work efficiency and presentation. With these simple steps, you can now customize your Google Sheets layouts to suit your data perfectly. Remember, practice makes perfect. So take your time to experiment with these options until you feel confident. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.